15 most important topics you must cover if you want to score 80 and above in JAMB Physics in 2025. So when I make my research, I discovered that these are the top 15 topics every student must cover if you really want to do well in JAMB Physics. Do you understand? So I'm going to share them with you. I'm also going to send the PDF to you. I'm going to tell you how you can get the free PDF. Not only that, here, I want to share 3 strategies you can use or 3 steps you can use to cover these 15 topics in 60 days or less. So what you want to do, you want to stick to the end of this video here. Take that every single thing. They follow my instruction. They start immediately. Do you understand? Let's get into it. Now, the first topic you must cover is called measurements and units, and this is called the fundamentals. So the basis. The first year you want to cover what dimension of physical what quantities. You want to cover derived and fundamental units. You want to cover what errors and sensitivity what in measurements. So these are the what this is what number 1 topic you need to what cover. Just now number 2, scalar and vector. Under scalar and vector, you must understand the definition and difference between scalar and vector quantity. You must understand addition and resolution of vectors quantity. You must understand, you must know how to solve problem under what parallelogram law of vector and triangle laws of vector. So the question normally comes out in this one aspect here in this vector quantity. So please take note of it. Just number 2, kinematics. Now under kinematics, we have what called speed, velocity, acceleration. That is what the first one. Here we have equations of motion. And after that, we have what we call the graphical representation of motion. So these are things to cover under what kinematics. Now, for those of you who will need the free PDF to this top 15 topics you must cover, leave at the comment section that you need the free PDF. Then I will send you a link. You can use to go and download the free PDF. No money, just now. So leave at the comment section if you need a free PDF to this one here. So now the fourth one is called Newton's laws of motion. Under Newton's laws of motion, we have first, second, and third law of motion. Number 2, we have called linear momentum and impulse. Just now. So these are things to cover. Another thing you want to cover that one is called conservation of linear momentum. How to solve problem under this conservation of linear momentum. Very important. Number 5 is called work, energy, and power. So under work, energy, and power, you must understand the concept of work and energy, kinetics and potential energy. And you must understand what we call conservation of energy and power. So these are things to cover under what work, energy, and power. Number 6, circular motion. Under circular motion, you need to cover angular velocity and acceleration. You need to cover centripetal force and its application. How to solve problem under centripetal force. The next one is under this one here is called motion in vertical and horizontal circle. Very important because JAMB normally asks questions under this. Do you understand? Then the 7th one is what? Gravitation. Yes, gravitation. You need to cover it about gravitation. Under gravitation, we have Newton's law of gravitational. Newton's law of gravitation. Number 2, gravitational field and orbital motion. Number 3 is called escape velocity and orbital motion. So these are things you need to cover under gravitational field. Just and all gravitation. Now, like what I told you here, I'm going to share a textbook with you to buy that helps to cover these things, and I'm going to share you strategies you can use to cover all this topic in next 60 days or less. Now, the number 8 is called properties of matter. Under properties of matter, you have what we call the elasticity, we have what we call the Hooke's law, and we have what we call the Young-Mood laws. Under that, we have what we call pressure in liquid and Archimedes principle. The last one that this year is called surface tension and viscosity. These are things to cover under what properties of matter. Number 9 is called thermal physics. Thermal physics. Under thermal physics, here we have temperature scale and thermal expansion. That was number 1. Number 2 is called gas laws. You write Boyle's law, Charles law, and pressure law. Very important. The last one that this one is called heat transfer, which is called conduction, convection, and radiation. This is called under thermal physics. Number 10 is called wave. Under wave here, remember wave is one big aspect of physics that JAMB don't ever escape question from. Do you understand? Need to cover it very well. Under wave, we have called type and properties of wave. We have called reflection, refraction, and diffraction. Then the other one is called, the last is called sound wave and dropper effect. These are things you need to understand under when it comes to wave. Now the level 2 is called optics. Optics. Reflection and refraction of light. Number 2 is called lens, which is called focal length and image formation. Number 3 is called optical what instrument. So these are our topics to cover when it comes to optics. Then number 12 is called electricity. Yes, electricity is one big aspect JAMB has every single year. So you need to cover them very well. So under electricity, you have what called current, voltage, resistance. F is under what? Ohm's law. Number 2 is called series and parallel circuits. You need to know how to solve problem on this one here. Then third one is called electrical power and what? And energy. That was under what? Electricity. Now the 13th one is what? Is magnetism. So here we have what we call magnetic field and flux. Here we have what we call electromagnet and application. Then here we have called magnetic field, magnetic force, and moving charge. These are things to cover under when it comes to what? Magnetism. Then the 14th one, the number 14 is called electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction, which is called Faraday's and Lenz's law, transformer and generator, alternating current, which is called AC, and direct current, which is called DC. Just as so, this is everything to cover under what we call electromagnetic induction. The last one is called modern physics. We're going to understand what we call photoelectric effects, atomic structure, and energy level, radioactivity. So these are things to cover under what modern physics. Just if you need a free PDF on this one here, you like make sure that you need a free PDF. Now the question will not be how do you cover this thing in 30 days or 60 days or less. So how do you cover this thing here? So I have some steps for you need to what follow here. Now the first one is to go and get a good textbook. Get a good textbook will be a good starting point for you. And the textbook I suggest for you to buy is okay. So this textbook is one of the best textbook when it comes to what physics in JAMB. This is what I'll be using. Although we also have that textbook. If you have other textbook like new school physics textbook and the rest, fine. But this should be in your collection. Very important. This one I actually would recommend. Just go get this one here. The second thing to do here is that structure a steady reading timetable. Now every day, tell yourself that you want to cover one topic every single day. Just although it will not be easy, but make sure that you cover one topic every single day. So structure 2 hours. Just for those of you who have not watched our video when it comes to what 6-hour study guide and 4-hour study guide. Just so no matter the student you are, if you are going to school or you have enough time to study, now you should watch the 6-hour study guide and what 4-hour study guide is on my YouTube. Just it's one of my training video on YouTube. Just make sure you go watch those videos here in case you want to structure out your reading timetable. Just so make sure you read 2 hours at least 1 hour 30 minutes every single day on physics. If especially physics is your problem. The next thing you want to do is to register for an online class. Now, one of the mistakes I see a lot of students make is that they don't want to pay money and sign up for an online class. Just now, especially that way you need to do your due diligence very well. Make a research. Which online class is very, very good. Now, you may have your physical class you are going to, which is fine. But an online class is very, very good for you. Just that is why I will advise you to join my private online class. I don't do general class. The only general class I'll do here is every Saturday and Sunday where I do my live class on YouTube. Just so if you're not following me here, please try and follow me here because we do live class every Saturday and Sunday on YouTube. Just but if you want to be teaching you or be your personal tutor, they need to sign up for my private online class. How much is private online class? I don't want someone to just come to my DM and start asking the amount. So I want to give out the amount. At the time of me creating this video here, the price is 35,000. Just one-time payment. There are some players that charge 70,000 naira for online class. So the online class is not only physics you're learning math, chemistry, and physics for now till your exam date. Just so I don't want to say if you want an online class, you should send me a DM. Then after you send me a DM, I will not start telling the price. Some of you. So I'm just telling you the price now in case you are very, very serious. And I don't need more than 100 persons in my private online class. No, I don't need more than 100 persons. Currently now we are seeing about 25 persons in my online class, private online class. Where I'm teaching one-on-one. Just I know it's not like I'm going to put it in a group. This one I'm the one to guide you, teach you step by step. This is the class you need to go to. This is the class you need to watch now. every single month we have a target. Just that every single month we have a target, because I'm not only teaching physics, I also teach you chemistry, mathematics, and physics. Just that, so that 35K you are paying is covered for all these three subjects. Just that, and it's one time payment. You're not paying again. Just that. The good thing here is that if you join the class now, before by the time you get to January, February, we are about to cover a lot. So those new persons that will join the class again, you still be learning with them from afresh. That is what big advantage of what this online class. So please, only serious students, if you know that you are serious, you want to be your online coach or tutor, the price is 35,000. If you know that you are ready, send me a DM and I will add it to what, to the private class. Just I will start learning immediately. If this video is helpful, please give it a like. Please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, we also do free classes. Like what I said, every Saturday and Sunday, I'm always live here on my YouTube channel. Just follow me and comment if this video is helpful. Please, if you need the free PDF, here, leave a comment section that you need the free PDF, and I will send you a link. You can download it for free. Just see you in my next